Hello everyone, my name is Deanna George and the ancestral name I carry is Synthalia. I welcome you all to Coast Salish territory and also welcome you to Vancouver Community College here in Vancouver.
Hi, my name is Danielle and welcome to Experience VCC.
And I'm Lee. Even though we've gone virtual, we're still here to help you discover over 130 different programs.
In the morning, we'll be offering general half-hour information sessions, VCC 101, financial aid, Indigenous education, and international education.
In the afternoon, we'll be offering program-specific information sessions. See the full schedule below.
We'll also be offering drop-in advising from 12 to 5 p.m. All sessions will be hosted on Zoom.
You can register for each session individually on Eventbrite. Be sure to register above to get the link for each session.
For each session you attend, you'll be entered to win one of 3 $1,000 VCC tuition prizes. You'll receive a keyword at each session that you can enter into the form below. Each session you attend will give you an extra chance to win.
If you apply today, we'll waive the $35 application fee for domestic students.
Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you experience VCC.